Imagine making money while you sleep, all thanks to AI. Sounds impossible? Think again. In this video, I'll show you how even complete beginners can use AI tools to generate income online. Stick around. Your journey to effortless income starts now. Welcome back to our Online Money-Making Opportunities series. This is the grand finale, where we're diving into AI, the ultimate game changer for earning money online. Over the past few episodes, we've explored powerful ways to start earning online, each designed to help you take control of your financial future. If you've missed any, make sure to check them out later. Today, though, we're talking about something truly transformative: AI tools that can simplify and supercharge your path to making money online. Why AI? Because it's not just for tech experts anymore. Whether you're creating content, managing a business, or just starting out with no prior experience, AI tools are here to help you automate tasks, boost productivity, and unlock earning potential in ways that weren't possible before. Stick around, because in this video, I'm not just going to introduce you to these tools. I'm going to share actionable strategies you can use to start earning money with them right away. Ready to unlock the power of AI? Let's get started. Upbeat music transitions into the next segment. Let's start by breaking down why AI is such a game changer, especially for beginners. The beauty of AI is that it can automate tasks, save you tons of time, and, best of all, it lowers the barrier for entry. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have years of experience to start leveraging these tools. Think about all the repetitive tasks that slow you down: writing emails, designing graphics, or answering customer inquiries. AI tools can handle these tasks for you with remarkable efficiency. First up, content creation. With tools like ChatGPT, you can generate blog posts, social media captions, and even entire video scripts in minutes. Here's a simple example. If you're managing a blog, you don't need hours to brainstorm ideas or write drafts. ChatGPT can give you polished text with just a prompt. Next, customer support. Tools like AI chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7. Whether it's answering FAQs, troubleshooting issues, or recommending products, AI ensures your customers are taken care of, even while you sleep. Finally, scaling your business. AI helps you handle tasks at scale, whether it's automating email campaigns, analyzing data, or managing your social media calendar. With platforms like Jasper and Canva, you can create professional quality content that looks like a team of designers and marketers worked on it, when it's just you and your laptop. Now let me simplify this with an analogy. Think of AI as your personal assistant, except this assistant works 24/7, doesn't take coffee breaks, and costs way less than hiring a full-time employee. You can delegate tasks and focus on the big picture without getting bogged down in the details. What's even better? Unlike a human assistant, AI tools actually get smarter over time, learning your preferences and improving their outputs. It's like having an assistant who's always leveling up. So whether you're a student, a freelancer, or someone just looking to make extra income, AI tools can give you a head start. They make the impossible, like earning money while you sleep, not just possible, but practical. All right, let's dive into the heart of this video. 5 beginner-friendly AI tools that can help you start earning money online today. These tools are powerful, easy to use, and cater to various online income opportunities. Let's start with a tool I'm sure you've heard about: ChatGPT. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a game changer for freelance writing, blogging, and customer support. Whether you're drafting blog posts, creating engaging product descriptions, or responding to customer queries, ChatGPT has you covered. Here's how you can use it to start earning. Offer freelance services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. For instance, you can specialize in SEO-friendly content creation for blogs or e-commerce stores. You provide the prompt, ChatGPT provides the content. It's that simple. Next, we have Canva, your one-stop shop for graphic design. With its AI features like magic resize and auto-generated templates, you can create stunning visuals without any design experience. Here's how to leverage Canva. Start by designing templates for Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube thumbnails. Sell these templates on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad, or offer custom design services directly to clients. Jasper AI is perfect for crafting marketing copy, blog posts, and ad content. Small businesses and entrepreneurs are always on the lookout for compelling copy to promote their products. And that's where you come in. You can offer services like writing ad campaigns, creating email sequences, or even managing a client's entire content strategy. Jasper helps you do the heavy lifting while you focus on landing more clients. Have you ever wished you could create YouTube videos or business content without needing to learn video editing? Enter Pictory. This tool transforms text into videos with just a few clicks. For example, if you're a blogger, you can repurpose your articles into video content for YouTube or client presentations. Businesses love this because video is the most engaging content format. Finally, we have Copy.ai. This tool specializes in crafting email campaigns, website copy, and even sales pitches. It's perfect for digital marketers or anyone who wants to start a digital marketing side hustle. You can use Copy.ai to launch your own marketing service, helping businesses improve their email engagement and conversions. It's an in-demand skill that's easy to scale once you get the hang of it. These 5 tools, ChatGPT, Canva, Jasper AI, Pictory, and Copy.ai, are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI's potential. The best part? Each of these tools offers free trials or affordable plans, so you can start experimenting without breaking the bank. So, which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't go anywhere. Up next, I'll show you how to put these tools into action with step-by-step strategies to start earning today. Now that you know which AI tools to use, let's talk about how to get started today. It's easier than you think, but like any new venture, it all begins with focus, practice, and a willingness to provide value. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. The first step is to choose a niche, an area where you want to apply these tools. Focus on fields where AI thrives, such as content creation, e-commerce, or social media management. By narrowing your focus, you'll avoid overwhelm and start building expertise faster. For example, if you're great with words, content creation using ChatGPT could be your niche. If you love visual creativity, Canva can help you design graphics or templates to sell. Or, if you're a social media enthusiast, combine tools like Jasper and Canva to offer social media management services. Not sure which niche to pick? Think about what excites you or what skills you already have. Remember, AI is here to amplify your strengths and help you deliver results more efficiently. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to learn the basics of your chosen tools. Start by exploring free resources like YouTube tutorials, how-to guides, and the tool's official blogs. Take advantage of free trials to get hands-on experience. Most AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Jasper offer trial periods so you can practice without spending a dime. Use this time to familiarize yourself with their features and experiment with different projects. Don't stop there. Join online communities like Reddit forums, Facebook groups, or Discord servers where people share tips, showcase their work, and even post job opportunities. Networking in these spaces can fast-track your learning and connect you with potential clients. The final and most important step, offer value. Your success depends on solving real problems for people. AI is just the tool that helps you do it faster, better, and smarter. For example, if you're using ChatGPT to write blog posts, focus on delivering well-researched, SEO-friendly content that ranks on Google. If you're creating social media graphics with Canva, design templates that save clients time and stand out visually. The key is understanding what your audience or clients need and exceeding their expectations. Think of AI as your secret weapon, but remember, the real magic happens when you combine the tool's capabilities with your own creativity and commitment to quality. So let's recap. First, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and skills. Second, learn the basics by watching tutorials, using free trials, and engaging with online communities. Finally, focus on providing real value to clients or customers by solving their problems with the help of AI. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging AI tools to generate income. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so don't be afraid to start small and grow from there. Now that we've covered the steps to get started, let me share an inspiring story about someone who took these steps and turned them into real income. Meet Sarah, a complete beginner in the world of freelancing. In just 3 months, she went from zero experience to landing her first $500 client using AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT. Sarah always loved the idea of working online, but didn't know where to start. When she came across tools like Canva and ChatGPT, she realized she didn't need years of experience or advanced technical skills to get started. Just determination and a willingness to learn. She began by experimenting. Using Canva, Sarah created her first set of Instagram templates. Bright, clean designs that any small business could use to promote their services. With ChatGPT, she drafted social media captions to pair with those graphics. Before long, she had enough material to build a small portfolio. Here's the genius part. Sarah didn't need expensive software or years of design school. Canva's AI tools helped her create professional-looking designs in minutes, and ChatGPT ensured her captions were polished and engaging. With her new skills, she felt confident enough to start pitching her services. Sarah reached out to small businesses, offering affordable social media management. She tailored her pitch to highlight the value she could bring. Consistent, engaging posts that saved her clients time and helped grow their audience. Within a few weeks, a local coffee shop owner agreed to give her a try for $500. Using Canva and ChatGPT, Sarah created a month's worth of posts for the coffee shop, complete with visuals, captions, and even a few promotional ads. Her client loved the results, and Sarah quickly gained a glowing testimonial to attract even more clients. What makes Sarah's story so powerful is its simplicity. She didn't have a background in marketing or design. What she did have was a willingness to learn and the right tools to make it happen. AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT not only made her work easier, but also allowed her to offer a professional service at a fraction of the time and cost it would have taken otherwise. And here's the best part. Sarah's success didn't stop there. Because AI tools save so much time, she was able to take on more clients and scale her business without getting overwhelmed. In just a few months, she had a steady stream of clients and a growing income, all while working on her own schedule. Sarah's journey proves that you don't need to be an expert to succeed. With the right mindset and tools, anyone can start building their online income today. It's all about taking that first step, learning as you go, and providing value to your clients. So if Sarah can do it, what's stopping you? The tools are out there, waiting for you to take advantage of them. Who knows? Your success story could be next. By now, you know the tools and the steps to get started. But how do you turn a side hustle into a consistent income, or even a thriving business? Let's dive into 2 key tips that will set you up for long-term success. The world of AI is evolving rapidly, and staying competitive means staying informed. New tools and updates are released all the time, so it's crucial to invest in your skills. Take time to watch tutorials, enroll in affordable courses, and experiment with the latest features of your chosen tools. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer courses on topics like AI-powered marketing, advanced Canva techniques, and mastering ChatGPT for content creation. The more you know, the more value you can bring to clients, and the higher rates you can charge for your services. Think of it as an investment in yourself that pays off in the long run. Relying on just one income stream can limit your earning potential. The beauty of AI is that it allows you to combine multiple tools and services to create diverse revenue streams. For example, you can use ChatGPT for freelance writing, sell customizable Canva templates on platforms like Gumroad, and offer video content creation with tools like Pictory. By combining services, you're not only increasing your income, but also building a safety net in case one stream slows down. And don't forget, you can also use your expertise to teach others. Once you've mastered a tool or strategy, consider creating your own course or hosting workshops. Teaching is a fantastic way to establish yourself as an authority while generating passive income. Remember, long-term success isn't just about working harder. It's about working smarter. By investing in your skills and diversifying your income streams, you're setting yourself up for stability and growth in the ever-changing digital world. So, whether you're just starting out or ready to level up, these tips will help you build a sustainable and rewarding career using AI tools. The possibilities are endless, so keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep growing. Now that you've seen how AI can transform your journey to earning money online, I want to hear from you. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Is it Canva for creating stunning designs? ChatGPT for effortless writing? Or maybe Pictory for making video content? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Don't be shy. This is your chance to join a community of like-minded people exploring online income opportunities together. Your feedback might even inspire future videos. And if you've enjoyed this series, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've got so much more in store for you, from actionable tips to exclusive strategies that will help you level up your online income journey. Why stop now when you're already on a roll? Let's keep building that success story together. And speaking of success stories, you won't want to miss what's coming next. In our upcoming video, we'll dive into the best strategies for scaling your earnings. Whether you're ready to turn your side hustle into a full-time gig or aiming for financial freedom, I'll walk you through the steps to take it to the next level. So, stick around. It's only going to get better from here. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. Remember, success starts with taking that first step, and you've already done that by watching this video. Now, go out there, explore these amazing AI tools, and start building the future you've always dreamed of. You've got this! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips, tricks, and strategies to unlock your online earning potential. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to discover online money-making opportunities. Whether you're brand new to this or someone looking to expand your skills, I hope this series has given you the tools and inspiration you need to take charge of your financial future. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, and now the incredible power of AI, this series was designed to show you that earning online is not just possible. It's achievable for anyone willing to take that first step. Remember, success always starts with a single step. Maybe that step is exploring a free trial on Canva, crafting your first blog post with ChatGPT, or simply leaving a comment below to share your goals. Whatever it is, why not take that step today with AI as your guide? With the right mindset, tools, and a commitment to learning, there's no limit to what you can achieve. You've got everything you need to start building the life you've always dreamed of. And I can't wait to hear your success stories. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep taking action, and remember, you have the power to create your own success. See you soon!